Lows in the mid-60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. At 11 p.m. indicator, skies were clear. The temperature was 72 degrees, the dew point was 60, and the relative humidity was 66%. The wind was down at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.96 inches and rising. Elsewhere around central Illinois, it was clear, with a temperature of 70 at Champaign, 69 at Mattoon, 72 at Taylorville, 71 at Litchfield, and 66 at Effingham. At Springfield, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 74. At Peoria, the weather conditions were not available. And once again at 11 p.m. indicator, under clear skies, the temperature was 72 degrees. Looking elsewhere around the Midwest at 11 p.m., Chicago was mostly cloudy and 74. Indianapolis was partly cloudy and 69. St. Louis was cloudy and 79. Kansas City was mostly cloudy and 72. Des Moines was cloudy and 76. Milwaukee was clear and 68. This is a broadcast service announcement. Due to a required scheduled upgrade to our main computer systems, this NOAA weather radio station will be off the air from around 7 a.m. Tuesday through Thursday afternoon. Be sure to have alternate ways to receive severe weather information during this time. The time is currently 11:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KXI 46 in Shelbyville. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Shelbyville, Effingham, and surrounding areas of central Illinois. Rest of tonight, partly cloudy. Not as cool as lows in the mid-60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Patchy smoke in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Tuesday night, patchy smoke until midnight. Partly cloudy until midnight, then mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour until midnight. Chance of rain 20%. Wednesday, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers in the morning, then showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs around 80. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 80%. Wednesday night, a chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely until midnight, then a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming south after midnight. Chance of rain 70%. Thursday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. A chance of showers. A chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday night and Friday, showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 70%. Friday night, mostly cloudy until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 60. Saturday and Saturday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 70s. Lows in the lower 60s. Sunday, mostly sunny with a chance of showers. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Monday, mostly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs around 80. Chance of rain 40%. Again, the forecast for Shelbyville, Effingham, and surrounding areas of central Illinois for the rest of tonight, partly cloudy. Not as cool. Lows in the mid-60s. Southeast wind 5 to 10 miles an hour.